I figured out what she wants. She wants to be petted. She wants someone to pet her. That's what she was asking for. I'm a little slow in these things. Look at this. Yeah, yeah. Oh, she wants to get even closer. I think that's close enough, honey. Funny. Ah, funny, funny, funny.